Absolutely. Yeah, I think so. There's two things when you say turn away business. Um, One thing that's come up quite a bit is where attorneys practice an area of law that they don't love, or they're like, it doesn't, they don't get an enjoyment out of it, or maybe it generates revenue, but it's not the big hit that the other areas they practice might be for the practice, for the firm. Um, so another unique way to utilize a service like mine is where you can still, you don't have to turn that work away anymore. You don't have to just say, okay, let's turn off that valve. We don't want to do those cases anymore. Where you could, because you're not only losing out on that revenue, on that cash flow, whatever, but you're also losing out when you turn away work on the relationships you build with those clients who are more often than not are going to be your biggest referral source for more business down the road. And so that's, when I hear attorneys talk about that, I'm like, well, do you have to give it up? I mean, are there any aspects of it you do like? How much of it could you outsource? Can you still keep that, can you still keep that going, keep that money coming in, keep the lights on? And you don't really, just with you don't have to deal with too much of the work except being the point person with the client, obviously. But then really it frees you up to focus more of your time on the stuff that you're either passionate about or that's really driving the revenue of the firm.